to our video we just made.
Hi guys, today me and my friends are going to be reacting to one of my videos. So yeah. So let's get started.
Yeah.
I've been doing one that already has been posted onto YouTube. So which one? Do you want to do this one, this one, or this one?
I don't know. You can pick whatever.
I think I really want to do this one.
Okay, sure.
I need to turn it off because I'm kind of quiet.
Okay.
Why am I not talking?
How much minutes?
Yeah. Apparently I wasn't very popular on this one.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna be playing it. We just paused one part. I'm kind of scared now.
God. I don't know why I wasn't talking.
Yeah, I don't know why that person wasn't talking.
You mean me?
No, it was that person.
It was me.
I'm just joking. Okay. You can join me if you want.
Okay. What is Ava playing? Oh, okay.
Okay, guys, I'm in. If you can't see on the screen, sorry.
You guys just can't see on the screen because I'm making a video, but yeah.
My mom just said me something. Cutest irritable.
The cutest animal.
Yeah, she said that.
I slept without you. Get in.
You got in. No. I'm not in.
Get out of that.
One pink one.
Ah!
I don't want that one. Skins.
Oh my god.
I want to be pink. How do you get out of this?
I don't know.
Right, come on, follow me.
Are you in the thing?
No.
Okay, I need to go in a different soul world. Back with my friend, guys.
Yep. Sorry, guys. It's just kind of boring.
Yeah, it's boring watching this part, but it's gonna get more fun, alright?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I've never experienced this.
Down below on what type of video should we do next.
Yeah.
Maybe like athlete video?
Yeah, pick a, like, do you want to do a face reveal?
Heck no. Not yet, I'm not ready.
Okay.
You're gonna have to ask your mom before.
Yeah, she will say yes. Come on. Oh my god.
But
No, I don't want to be this guy. I don't want to be this guy.
But I also have to ask my mom before.
How do I get, don't go in. How do I get it? How do I change to a different person? Oh my god.
Girl!
What the heck?
Get out of there! What the heck?
Sorry guys, I don't know what just happened.
None of us know what's happening right now.
Yeah.
I already made a video like this, but just by myself. But
let me get it.
now it's gonna be me and my friends. So, it was one day, guys.
By the way, guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Quinn.
And my name's Brooklyn. This is the second video we ever done together. Hi, girl.
Okay, come on.
Let's go in here. This person.
Wow, just
Hi.
we're at the hospital to find out what's really happening. Waiting for players. I'm so excited. I hope I don't get caught like last time. I really do.
How did you either get caught, girl?
So there's a monster under the bed.
Oh yeah, I remember that stupid damn monster.
I know. Wait, I wanna try to get in past it. Wait, what color am I?
You're the jump. Wait here, you're the tan one. I'm jumping up here.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm pink like this person.
Yeah,
I want to take the dip. Oh. They're like
Is he
suspicious.
good? Is he good?
Yeah. It's been so many YouTubers been playing this game. They're all like on top. Give it to them. Give it to them. What? I'm creepy? You're also creepy.
Okay, you can go to the room, my friend.
You go.
No, I'm getting you.
No, you go.
I'm here.
Why? Because of the bed incident. Where's that dang girl? She left the dang
She
game.
went to go, yeah.
Why do I have to do the whole job? Why is she dropping from?
Is he good?
Yeah. Orbs and that's it. Orbs is okay. Let's grab some orbs. Sorry I'm not saying orbs correctly. It's hard. Can you say orbs correctly?
Bird.
What?
Bird.
I don't think you said it, but orbs. Yeah, it's hard to say. I healed this patient. Did you put a patient to somewhere? When you don't want to do the bed incident, let me do this stuff.
Okay.
What room are they in?
2. Someone needs one. Someone needs one really bad.
Who needs one?
A person.
I'm helping. Oh, this is my second person. I'm helping this main person. Eye drops, okay, they need eye drops. Because they have dry eyes.
The remaining patient. 1.
Finished.
Oh, the doctor's arriving.
The doctor is alive and everybody.
Just a 6. Sorry, I did not do anything.
Wait, so.
And up to the heart. Keep working.
Just keep walking.
I will fix up the shadow of the camera. You need the...
Here's the top.
Okay. Excellent.
Portion.
That's so good. You got 6
I was the top portion.
Yeah, because you're probably going to be it the whole time. I can't have that incident.
You're right. I know how to do that.
He has a weird head. He's the imposter.
No, he's not.
Yeah, look, watch. Wait.
Wait. Just take a picture and see what he looks like. I can take a picture. Let's take a picture and we're going to see what he looks like. Why are you so dang scared? Girl, you're the one that wanted to play this dang game.
I know. It's fine. It's fine.
Open it.
Can you open it?
Yeah, I already did. Hey. Oh.
He's also the imposter.
No, let's take a picture of him before we close it on him. Oh yeah, that teeth. Look at the teeth. On the picture, look at the teeth.
Wow.
What? No, Saurus. I'm angry.
Can you take the patients again?
Okay.
This person's creepy. This is also an imposter.
Yeah. Why be the only imposters? Yeah, take a camera picture. Now close it. Look at the dang picture. What? What? No, Saurus. I'm angry. By drinking coffee. I'm at 48. I'm so thirsty.
I'm not going to
Oh, you have to wait 100 seconds. 100, you have to wait 20 seconds. What? No service. I'm angry.
I'm leaving. Who's having another one? I can take this guy. Hi, Ranky.
Can you help me with the game? Yeah, I mean it. It's not that scary. You're the one who wanted to play the game.
Okay.
Alright, guys. My friend wanted to play this game, and now she is scared.
I'm scared because we have 3 imposters in a row.
Sorry about that. I got room 3. 5, I mean.
Okay, my iPad is 5%.
5%.
Oh my god. I need coffee.
On your coffee. Where's your iPad at 5%, girl? I don't have an iPad charger, so I thought have it. This video might be short, I don't think, guys, so yeah. And 11, 6, 7, 11. The next time the doctor comes, that means like that's
I'm about to die. It's my day.
Why?
Because I don't think I can wait. I only have 32.
F60. Coffee's ready. Girl, you need to help me with this game thing.
There's 57 seconds.
You got 12.
Let's see.
That wasn't creepy. What's that fast?
His name is Buddy.
That's a real name. And that was close, everybody. Out.
Oh. Why is it dark? Look at the picture.
What's that breathing?
I think we should lock him out. Look at the picture.
Quinn, heal this stuff. You hear breathing.
Look at the picture. Look how it's really dark.
Close him out. What's that breathing? You guys see that? Close it.
What it called?
What? No service. I'm leaving. That person's creepy. Open it up. You have to see this.
I saw it.
So he's walking out.
I'm scared.
That was the person you died for last time, Quinn. You remember that one?
Mm-hmm.
So don't serve him.
I'm gonna close him out.
It's a job.
It's a dangerous.
Job.
I already closed the show.
That's why we closed it, because we don't care if it's a dangerous job. Now go. I'm
Isn't
leaving.
he the one that I got died?
It's his postal. Don't open it. Don't open it. Look at the face. It's hitting it. Open it up. Quinn, open it. Open it up.
Wait, that scared me.
I know.
You opened it.
It's not that person.
What person?
Right there. Hey, dot. Quinn, no, you have to get him. I'm helping this person out.
Weird. What'd you do?
I pressed them. What's that weird breathing? I'm at 37 by pressing that person. Yeah, 20.
But I have my coffee.
I need coffee also. Couldn't you have to help out this thing person? I'm closing it.
Why?
What? No, Solvis, because I was supposed to say goodbye to everybody. When you took coffee again?
I need another one.
No, you don't. It's my turn. I'm at 36.
Okay, you can take that one. And, yeah, 43. I'm gonna open it.
Open it up.
This guy's creepy.
Who's that? I don't like the breathing.
Why'd you shut it?
I don't know.
Stop shutting it.
Hey, dot. I want to call in as a present.
Okay, is this creepy? Is there a creepy person?
Why does he have? Wait, what does that say on his thing? So, what does that say? What does it say? On his
Name's
bag?
wrong.
I mean, on this. on his
top
bag.
secret.
Top secret.
You ever wondered why they keep them?
That's suspicious. That's suspicious. Top secret. His bag. His bag says top secret. Suspicious. What? No, Solvis.
Bad boy.
You think I still get paid by doing all this?
I see. But we might not get paid that much.
You're right. No, we're not getting any chaos. That person's creepy.
Why?
Logan!
Why? What, baby?
Is they all?
That was a good person.
No, it's Solvis. I'm leaving.
Okay, go take care of the patients.
You don't have any patience. I forgot.
Yeah, we have one.
I don't care. Hey, do. Wait, they're creepy.
No, they're not.
Oh, they're creepy.
Stop doing that, Brooklyn.
Fine.
Or else we're not gonna get. Okay, register. Stop.
I'm just trolling you.
Go
No, Bob.
take care of the patient.
There's no patience.
Yeah, there's one. See?
And
He's not.
Wait, do you think it's time to end the video?
Wait, one more.
I will be in room 3. Alright, guys, we don't have to say
My
goodbye.
iPad just died.
So yeah, goodbye, guys. Make sure to like
Bye.
and subscribe and hit the notification button.
Yep.
And comment down below you want more videos with me and my friends.
And also comment down below what video you want us to do next.
Yeah, goodbye.
Bye.